How to send virtual gifts on Scout. Are you guys facing issue to send virtual gifts on Scout application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To send virtual gifts, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now find the person you want to send a gift by browsing nearby, checking messages, or searching the username, or just simply entering the live stream account. After you tap on their profile, tap the gift button, which is usually located at the right bottom of the screen. Just simply tap on the gift button. You will see variety of virtual gifts you can send, each costing a certain points of number. Selecting the gift you want to tap send and confirm your choice. The gift will be delivered instantly and the recipient will be notified. That's it guys, that's how we send virtual gifts on Scout. If you guys found this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.